Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
You look so amazing.
Thank you.
Okay.
You look amazing.
Thank you so much. What's your name and what do you do?
I am Blessing Bassi. I own a clothing brand called Beyond Bassi Limited. We basically deal with bridal dresses.
I
Like
can
what
see.
I'm wearing right
I
now.
can see. I can see that.
Bridal dresses,
Alright.
dresses,
Alright.
everyday daily essential, basically, both men's and women's wear.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Thank you.
Alright, so what inspires you to do what you do?
I would say first is the beauty of the final product.
Okay, I can
For
see
me,
that.
because I mean, you pick up ideas from different things. Like just looking at this ballroom, you can see that I would say connotation of my dress is sailing in the chandelier.
Very true.
So most times you can pick ideas from many things, but the final product is always the drive for me. Because you imagine when you take a sketch.
Hello.